and gentlemen, please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Thank you, DJ. It's awesome to be here. With the Galaxy Fold, we're introducing a new category. Now, we're introducing a next-generation smartphone, and that begins with the Galaxy S10. As you heard from Justin, nothing sets us apart more than our displays, and the S10 is no different. Now, the S10 screen covers the full front of the phone from the top to the bottom and from side to side. The sensors and the front camera have been seamlessly integrated right into the display itself. Today, we're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED. And with the world's first dynamic AMOLED display, the S10 delivers peak brightness up to 1200 nits and can produce more than 16 million colors at 100% color volume. This is going to be the most color-accurate display ever on a mobile device. This display also supports HDR10 Plus. The S10 uses dynamic tone mapping, which optimizes the brightness levels so that even the smallest details look beautiful, right down to the wisps of the clouds in the sky. The S10 has a bright, brilliant screen that is TÜV Rheinland certified to reduce harmful blue light emissions by 42%. You can even adjust the color temperature without making any compromises in picture quality. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. To use it, simply press your finger against the screen where it naturally rests. The scanner then emits ultrasonic waves that map the unique pattern of your fingerprint. That wave data is then sent back to the scanner and analyzed by the phone's main chipset to determine whether it's a match. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, and it even works in the most challenging conditions. It uses ultrasonic rather than optical scanning, so the S10's fingerprint scanner performs better in bright sunlight and wet conditions. The scanner also protects your data with machine learning-based algorithms that are updated automatically, just like security patches. And our anti-spoofing algorithm can identify a fake fingerprint, whether it's 2D or 3D. Now, what that means is it's going to make it significantly harder for someone to copy your fingerprint and gain access to your data. And with the world's first FIDO Alliance biometric component certification, the scanner's vault-like security will keep your data safe. The S10 comes in a variety of stunning new prismatic hues. Or you can choose one of two premium ceramic finishes, ceramic white and ceramic black. When you think about it, isn't it amazing how much smartphone photography has advanced over the past 10 years? There is no denying it. Smartphones have transformed photography. With the S10, we're introducing a camera that lets you capture memories like a pro with a single device. And that's all thanks to our brand new next-generation triple rear camera system. For capturing everyday moments, you have the wide-angle camera. With a 77-degree field of view, you can take amazing crystal-clear photos day or night. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. I'm thrilled to tell you that this photo was taken in Spain with the S10's brand new ultra-wide camera. At 123 degrees, its field of view matches that of the human eye. So with this camera, what you see is what you get. It lets you capture the full scene, just as you see it, all without having to take a step back. What do you guys think? Pretty good, right? All right, well, the S10 makes your panoramas even more epic. Your shots will stretch from the ground to the skies. The ultra-wide camera transforms the way you take all kinds of photos. We've combined the powers of the wide angle and the ultra-wide cameras to give you better perspective when using live focus. They're more artistic, too, with new effects that let you change the lighting and the background blur. You can use the color point feature to fade the colors around the edges, or mix it up with a fun zoom or spin effect. Best of all, you can try out all of these effects in real time, even before you snap the picture. It's like having all of the perks of a photography studio right in your pocket. Now, we've already created an AI camera that optimizes colors based on the scene. And now, we've built on that foundation by adding a neural processing unit that makes the S10's camera even smarter. Because the S10 can process more data, it can recognize more scenes than before. So let's say you're taking a hike. Your phone can now identify everything you see along the way: the mountain, the flowers, even the sunrise. Your phone will use all of that information to help you take the best possible photo. The S10 can even provide composition tips for your photo, like where to place the subject in the frame or whether your photo is level. Using machine learning, we analyze the composition of over 100 million professional photos so that the S10 can give you the best possible advice. Earlier, you saw how the S10 displays HDR10+ content by optimizing the color tones when you watch a video. It does the same thing when you record a video as well. The S10 is the first mobile device in the world capable of recording video in HDR10+. And that's because the camera uses tonal mapping techniques to go frame by frame to optimize the color for every scene. Do you see how smooth that video shot on the S10 is? Now you can finally take action footage right from your smartphone. The S10 shoots super steady videos on par with what you'd find in most action cameras. We're excited to tell you that we've partnered with Adobe to create a version of Premiere Rush optimized for Galaxy smartphones. Adobe Premiere Rush puts a suite of powerful editing tools right on your phone. It supports DeX and HDR10+, and it delivers optimized graphics performance. Plus, it's really easy and intuitive to use, so you can edit and upload your videos without missing a beat. As you just saw, your S10 can help you shoot and edit exceptional videos. It also helps you take exceptional selfies because of the significant improvements we've made to its front camera. We've added dual pixel technology, which lets you take better pictures in low light and significantly improves autofocus. So now you can spend more time composing your shot and less time waiting for your camera to focus. With the S10 Plus, you get two front cameras that work together to capture depth of field, meaning you can take beautiful live focus selfies just like these. We record whenever the mood strikes us and go live at a moment's notice. And that's why we made sure that the S10's front camera supports UHD video, so you can capture high-quality content. Just like the rest of the S10, this revolutionary camera system is built on a foundation of premium performance specs.
And all these innovations are built on a new foundation of top-of-the-line performance capabilities. And today, with the Galaxy S10 Plus, you can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of base storage. And if that's not enough, it also comes with our standard micro SD slot, so you can expand your memory up to 1.5 terabytes. Its new processor enables up to 29% faster CPU speeds and 37% faster GPU speeds than the S9. Now, let's talk about another one of S10's superpowers, its battery. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. It lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. The S10's battery is more intelligent and more powerful than ever before. And in fact, it's so powerful that it can power more than just your phone. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. You just place a watch, earbuds, or even a friend's smartphone onto the back of the S10 and watch the battery fill up. When it comes to charging your own device, our S10 lineup supports fast wireless charging 2.0, which can charge from 0 to 100 up to 36% faster than before. The S10 can also distinguish between secure and unsecure Wi-Fi networks in real time, so you don't accidentally connect to a suspicious network. We're pleased to announce that the S10 is the first ever mobile device compatible with Wi-Fi 6. The S10 offers a premium Galaxy experience with all the features you've come to know and love over the last decade. The S10 Plus supercharges that experience, giving you more screen, more cameras, and more battery. And the S10e has all the essentials in a more compact form factor. So no matter what you're looking for, there's a state-of-the-art Galaxy that's perfect for you. So mark your calendars because it's right around the corner. And you'll be happy to know the S10 comes in brand new, eco-friendly packaging.